Hey everyone, my name is Liza from Kid Museum. We are gonna learn how to make a car. And so when we think about making a car, really the mechanism of the car that we need to figure out how to make is the wheel and axle. Now, a wheel and axle is one of the simple machines. And so once you know how to make a wheel and axle, you can do all sorts of different things with it. But today, we are gonna attach our wheels and axles to a car. So I have a few materials to start. I have a piece of cardboard, which is going to be the base of our car. I have a straw, a couple of skewers, and then cardboard circles. So these circles are already cut out, but if you don't have circles that are cut out already, you can use anything that's round to trace a circle. So I have a roll of tape. I can trace the inside or even the outside of a cup. All that matters is that you cut all of your wheels the same size. So once you have your cardboard circles, the first thing you're gonna do is take one of your skewers and poke a hole into your first cardboard circle. So I'm gonna do that flat on the table and then gently poke it through to the other side. I just want a little bit of the skewer coming out on that side, and I'm gonna take a piece of tape. Now, this does not have to be pretty. All we have to do is get that skewer taped to our cardboard. All right, so I have a wheel on one side. Now, there are two ways to attach our wheel to the base of our car. The first one is just by using the inside structure of a piece of cardboard. We call that corrugation. So I can use those holes that are already there. I can take a skewer and stick it through that hole. And when I put it through that hole, my wheel can still spin. We don't want to attach the skewer to the piece of cardboard, then our wheels won't spin. So we have to make sure that wherever we put the axle, our skewer, it can still move freely. So now that I have that in there, I can attach my other wheel. I'm gonna poke a hole. Poke my skewer through, get the axle through the wheel, and attach it just like I did with my other wheel. So now I have one completed wheel and axle, and my vehicle can roll. Now, this isn't a car, it's more of a wheelbarrow. So I'm gonna show you another way to attach a wheel and axle to our car. So let's start by poking a hole through the wheel. Attach this side. Now, what if we're using something that doesn't have this corrugation in the middle? I'm gonna use a straw. So I'll cut the straw to be just about the length of our car, flip it over, and I'm gonna tape the straw to the bottom of the car. I am going to slide the axle through the center of the straw. And just like through the corrugation, because the skewer is smaller than the straw, my wheel can continue to spin. Now I just have to attach the other side, the other wheel. So I'll poke it through. Remember to do this gently so that we don't poke ourselves. Small piece of tape to secure it. And now I have a car that can roll back and forth. So I showed you two different strategies for attaching the wheel and axle. I would recommend that you use the same strategy on both your front wheels and your back wheels. On this one, it goes straight through the cardboard. And on this one, I have it rolling through a straw that we tape to the bottom. Now that you know how to make a wheel and axle, what kind of vehicle can you make?